Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Sitala Swefa with NPM 224111160. Here I will explain the little about material from the rule of corporate governance. Corporate governance play a crucial role in the functioning of modern organization. It refers to the system, principle, and process by which companies are directed and controlled, ensuring that the interests of all stakeholders are balanced and that the company is managed in a responsible and ethical manner. Essentially, corporate governance provides the framework within which companies operate, making it central to their long-term success and sustainability. One of the primary functions of corporate governance is to ensure that the company is being managed in a way that aligns with the interests of its shareholders, employees, customers, and other key stakeholders. This alignment is critical in maintaining trust and ensuring that the company remains competitive, transparent, and ethical in its operation. Effective corporate governance structure help mitigate the risk of mismanagement and corruption, which can lead to financial loss, legal challenge, or reputational damage. A key role of corporate governance is the creation of a balanced relationship between the management and the board of directors. The board of directors is responsible for overseeing the overall strategy of the company and ensuring that management execute this strategy effectively. The separation of power allows for a system of checks and balance, where decisions are scrutinized and debate, promoting transparency and accountability. The board also serves to represent the interests of shareholders and other stakeholders, ensuring that they have a voice in the decision made by the company. Another vital function of corporate governance is to establish clear roles and responsibilities within the organization. It helps define the roles of various corporate officers, such as the CEO, CFO, and other executives, ensuring that there is no confusion or overlap in their duties. This clarity allows for more efficient decision-making process and reduce the risk of conflict of interest. Corporate governance also ensures that there are policies and procedures in place to manage risk and maintain internal controls, this protecting the asset and reputation of the company. Corporate governance also plays an essential role in ensuring that the company adheres to legal and regulatory requirements. It provides mechanisms for monitoring compliance with laws, industry regulation, and internal policies. This legal compliance is important for preventing corporate scandal, fraud, or unethical business practice that could harm the company and its stakeholders. Governance structure typically include mechanisms for conducting audit, ensuring that financial reporting is accurate, and that the company operates within the boundaries of the law. In addition to ensuring compliance, corporate governance helps foster a culture of ethics and integrity within the company. It establishes a code of conduct and ethical guidelines that governs the behavior of employees, executive, and the board of directors. This ethical framework is crucial for creating a work environment that promotes fairness, responsibility, and respect for the rights of all stakeholders. Corporate governance encourages responsible corporate citizenship, including being mindful of the company's impact on the environment and society. Companies with strong governance frameworks are more likely to consider the long-term consequences of the decision, aligning their business strategy with sustainable practice that benefit both the company and the wider community. Moreover, corporate governance is crucial for building investor confidence and attracting capital. Investors are more likely to invest in companies that have robust governance framework, as they perceive these companies to be less risky and more likely to deliver consistent returns. Companies with strong corporate governance practice are seen as more transparent and accountable, which reassure investors that their interests will be protected. This, in turn, can lead to better access to capital, lower cost of borrowing, and increased shareholder value. In today's globalized business environment, corporate governance is also important for maintaining a company reputation and public image. Companies that practice good governance are seen as trustworthy and responsible, which can enhance their reputation among consumers, regulators, and the general public. A strong reputation built on ethical behavior and sound governance practice can be a significant competitive advantage, helping a company to retain loyal customers, attract talented employees, and secure partnership with other organizations. Additionally, corporate governance promotes long-term value creation, while short-term profit can be a focus for some companies. Thus, that priorities good governance are more likely to invest in sustainable growth strategies that focus on the long-term interests of all stakeholders. Good governance ensures that decision-making processes are informed by careful analysis, stakeholder input, and risk management, all of which contribute to the stability and long-term success of the company. It also encourages companies to be proactive in addressing emerging issues such as climate change, technological advancements, and evolving consumer preference, ensuring that the company remains adaptable and resilient in the face of change. Lastly, the role of corporate governance extends to managing corporate social responsibility, or CSR initiatives. Strong governance practice help companies integrate social responsibility into their business model, ensuring that they not only pursue profit but also contribute positively to society. This includes fostering diversity and inclusion, reducing environmental footprints, and supporting community development. By focus on CSR, company can create value that goes beyond financial returns, benefiting both their stakeholder and the world at large. In conclusion, the role of corporate governance is multifaceted, encompassing everything from ensuring effective management and oversight to fostering ethical practice and ensuring compliance with legal standards. It is an essential element for building trust, attracting investment, and ensuring the long-term success and sustainability of a company. A well-structured corporate governance system is fundamental for navigating the complexities of the modern business world and securing a company's future in a competitive of often unpredictability environment. Okay, all. Thank you for your attention. I end it with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.